Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make header appear only on first page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document and we can see here 7th page. Now we want to insert header only the first page. Go to the second page, then click right button on our mouse and click the insert section. Then go to the insert menu, click the first page and click the header option. Then go to the master page option, then click the add master page. Now I select the master page B, then click OK. Then go to the first master page A and select the header option, then write anything on this header text. Then write the header text, then increase the text size. Go to the text box menu and increase the size. Then click the close master page. Then go to the second section and press shift on our keyboard to select the whole page. Then click right button on our mouse and go to the master page option and select master page B or none. Now I select this master page B. Then go to the first page and we can see here available the header text, but second page and all other page not available the header text. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.